I wanted to demo my Text Streamliner Java app, which you can download for free from my Google Drive. So I'm going to demo two examples. The first one is from PDFs. So I have this text selected. So I'm going to copy that and paste it into here. And this is the raw text. So you can streamline it, but you'll still have unintentional formatting issues that the PDF creates. So that's not the fault of the app. It's just that's how it's. Sometimes PDFs just get messed up, so you have to correct that if you want, and then streamline. And likewise, if you want to get rid of the annotations like this 5, or it creates this unintentional space before the period. That's not what I did, or that's just the raw text. So you can just manually remove those things. All right, so that's that. And then I have this old email example, and so you just copy this and clear out your old text, paste in the text, and then if you wanted to get rid of these carets, then you can just find that string and then replace it with nothing or blank, and that'll get rid of that, and it'll keep the greater than sign from anything else that doesn't match that pattern. And then streamline, and it keeps the intentional new line here, but again, you can just manually remove that if you want, or create two, whatever. But again, it can't pick up the unintentional misformats like this, where it occurred in the original text anyways. So you have to manually get rid of those things. Then you can save it to file. One last thing I want to show is that there's a shortcut button that does all three: clear, paste, and streamline at the same time. If you're doing this a lot, then it might be useful, but then sometimes you might not get a good comparison of the before and after. But again, I'll just demo. See, copy this, and without clearing it, you just paste it, and that's how it's streamlined. But again, you don't know how this happened, so it's probably better to just do all three. So that's my demo. So hopefully you'll find it useful. All right, thanks.